Thank you all for joining us again for Facebook Live. My name is Todd Nafstiger. I'm a Public Information Officer for the County of Santa Clara, Emergency Operations Center. Additionally, our cases are dramatically increasing, so our holiday season is going to look a little bit different when it comes to celebrating our traditions that we normally have. Before we begin with our questions with Indira, I just want to remind everyone that we remove our masks to make sure that we provide better communication for our community, especially our ASL. So Indira, our traditions are going to look a little bit differently this year.
Absolutely.
So can you kind of describe how Black Friday is going to look a little bit different? Because I know that's a big holiday tradition for a lot of families.
That's right. Then thank you for having me here today, Todd, to talk about a little bit more about that. For the upcoming Thanksgiving weekend, the County of Santa Clara will enhance COVID-19 business compliance efforts to ensure that the public is safe during this season. We understand that this is something that we do every year, and we still would like for individuals to support those businesses, but to this year do so differently. With that being said, you will notice that there will be County of Santa Clara staff out in the community during this weekend to ensure that everyone kicks off the holiday shopping season in a safe way.
Awesome. So I know our compliance team is going to be out there observing businesses and so forth. Are they going to have a way to be identified?
Absolutely. So we will our County of Santa Clara staff members will have badges with their pictures and their title. That is one of the methods that you can identify an individual. Also, we will be having individuals that have vests. Yes, if you can share that.
Oh, here you go.
They will be wearing vests like these, bright colored with the county seal. Also, some of our staff members will also carry business cards to ensure that our business owners can contact them. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us if you're a business owner that has been approached by a staff member of our business compliance team. You can contact our business call center to ensure that and verify that this is not a fraudulent activity. And also, with that being said, our County of Santa Clara staff members will not be asking for any payment method at that moment or any monetary transaction.
That's great to remind people of, that they'll not be collecting any money. So what will our team members be looking for? Will they be providing citations on site as well too?
Yes, our business compliance team will be providing citations if they identify that there is a business that is not in compliance with the current order and directive. With that being said, we also want to ensure that our businesses are following our social distancing guidelines, such as adhering to the social distancing, enforcing face coverings while inside the business, and also following our purple tier guidelines for retail and shopping malls.
Great. So if I'm a business that gets cited on Friday, how do I put this? Will the grace period still be there for them to mitigate those issues that they were cited for?
Due to the increase of cases and also the shopping season and Black Friday, we will not be having a grace period. And additional compliance staff will be visiting high shopping areas to look out for the public safety. Until Thursday, the county has been allowing businesses who corrected their compliance issues to have the fine waived. But that will not be the case this upcoming shopping season. Additionally, retail businesses will need to be in compliance with the state's 10 p.m. to 5 p.m. curfew. Grocery stores and takeout dining options are exempt from the state's ordinance.
Great. You bring up retail businesses, and I know Black Friday, a lot of people want to shop. Are there any capacity limitations for retail stores and grocery stores? Also, are there any signage that our community members should be looking for when they do visit these businesses?
Yes, so if you are shopping, please make sure that the business, one way to ensure that the business is in compliance with our current order and guidelines is to make sure that they have the social distancing protocol check mark, which is in color orange. It does not have to be in color orange. It can also be black and white, but it should also have a date when they submitted. So that's one way of verifying. Retail stores do have to follow our capacity limitations while in the purple tier, and that is 25%. In addition, grocery stores do have a 50% capacity under the purple tier.
Awesome, great. I think that's pretty much all of the emphasis we need to really focus on, especially for this Black Friday. Indira, thank you again for coming
Thank you
on
for
and
having me.
sharing all that information with us. You've always been very informative, so thank you. With that being said, I want to thank our community again for tuning in. Please be safe out there and remember to avoid gatherings. Please don't travel this holiday season. Also, make sure that if you are out around other individuals, maintain more than 6 feet. And also remember that testing is very important right now, but it is also not a passport to travel as well. So please try to remain as close to home as possible and be as safe as you possibly can. Thank you all and be safe.